Thinking about buying a hot tub? I'm going to give you the truth, the exact truth on how much it's going to cost you.
How much is a hot tub anyway? Hot tubs range from $3,000 up to $20,000. The average hot tub costs $7,000. What comes with a hot tub besides the actual hot tub? Should get a filter or two, GFCI breaker, some sort of test kit, chemical kit, hot tub steps, hot tub cover lifter. What's the extra cost and work to install a hot tub? Cost of building a base, making sure it's level, the cost of electrical hookup. The average cost is between $800 and $1,800. It all depends on how far your tub is to the main breaker. When looking for a hot tub, these are the things you should be avoiding. Anything with a lot of electronic parts, speakers, especially the ones with the pop-up. Make sure that all the parts that are on the tub that you're interested in are not just proprietary to them, to that company, that you can get this part anywhere else. The total cost for putting in a hot tub would be $7,000 for your hot tub, $1,800 for your electrical hookup, and $400 for your base. Now, when looking for a hot tub, don't be in a huge hurry to buy it. Take your time looking and researching. Now, if this video helped you out, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll see you on the next one.